If you say, do you want to go, like this, do you want to go, Americans will understand you, but they'll know you're not native. Americans actually say, do you want to go? That's connected speech. And today, you're learning exactly how to sound natural.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speaklio English.
I'm Alex, and this is Jamie. We're here to help you speak real American English the way native speakers actually talk every single day.
And today's lesson is so important. We're teaching connected speech. That means how Americans connect words together when we talk fast and naturally.
This is not about grammar rules. This is about sounding smooth and natural when you speak. When you use connected speech, Americans will think, wow, their English sounds really good.
You'll use this at work, with friends, at the store, everywhere. This is daily American life English.
So if you want to practice real spoken American English with us every week, hit that subscribe button right now.
All right, let's start learning.
Okay, so what is connected speech?
Connected speech is when Americans blend words together. We don't pause between every single word. We connect them smoothly.
Right, so instead of saying, what are you doing, we say, what are you doing? It's faster and it sounds natural.
Exactly. And here's the problem. Many learners speak very clearly with spaces between every word.
That sounds robotic. Americans don't talk like that in real conversations.
Nope, we connect everything. So let's teach you the most common patterns right now.
Pattern number 1. Want to becomes wanna.
Yes, listen. I want to eat becomes I want to eat.
Do you want to come becomes do you want to come?
Say it with us. I want to go home.
I want to go home. Perfect.
You'll hear this everywhere in America. Want to grab coffee? Want to watch a movie? Want to leave early?
It's so common. If you say want to with a full pause, it sounds too formal.
Right. In casual conversation, always use wanna.
Pattern number 2. Going to becomes gonna.
This one's huge. I am going to call you becomes I'm gonna call you.
I am going to be late becomes we're gonna be late.
Say it. I'm gonna study tonight.
I'm gonna study tonight. Yes, that sounds natural.
Americans use gonna all the time. It's gonna rain, you're gonna love this, I'm gonna be there soon.
Every single day you'll hear gonna in American English. It's not slang, it's just natural speech.
Pattern number 3. Got to or have got to becomes gotta.
Yes, I have got to go becomes I gotta go.
You have got to see this becomes you gotta see this.
Try it. I gotta leave now.
I gotta leave now. Perfect.
This means you need to do something. It's urgent or important. I gotta finish this report. We gotta hurry. You gotta try this pizza.
Super common in everyday American conversations.
Pattern number 4. What are you becomes what are you?
This one's tricky. Listen carefully. What are you doing becomes what are you doing?
What are you thinking becomes what are you thinking?
Say it with me. What do you want for dinner?
What do you want for dinner? Great job.
You can also say whatcha. That's even more casual. What you doing? Same meaning.
Both are correct. What are you doing or what you doing? Americans use both all the time.
Pattern number 5. Did you becomes Didja.
Yes. Did you eat becomes did you eat?
Did you finish becomes did you finish?
Try it. Did you see that movie?
Did you see that movie? Excellent.
This happens in questions. Did you call him? Did you get my email? Did you have fun?
So natural. Americans connect did you every single time in casual speech.
Pattern number 6. Don't know becomes dunno.
This one's easy. I don't know becomes I don't know.
Say it. I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do. Perfect.
You'll hear this constantly. Where is she? I don't know. What time is it? I don't know.
This is the most natural way to say I don't know in everyday conversation.
Pattern number 7. Give me becomes gimme.
Yes, give me a second becomes gimme a second.
Give me that pen becomes gimme that pen.
Say it. Gimme a call later.
Give me a call later. Great.
This is friendly and casual. Gimme a break. Gimme some time. Gimme a high five.
Very American.
Next one, pattern number 8. Let me becomes lemme.
Perfect one. Let me see becomes let me see.
Let me help you becomes let me help you.
Try it. Let me think about it.
Let me think about it. You did it.
Americans say this all day. Let me know if you need anything. Let me check my schedule. Let me grab my keys.
So smooth and natural.
Now, here's the key. All of these patterns happen when Americans speak at normal speed.
Right, we're not trying to be lazy. This is just how English sounds when it flows naturally.
And you don't have to think about it too much. Just listen to Americans and repeat what you hear.
Exactly. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
So, let's do some real-life examples now.
Perfect.
Okay, imagine you're at a coffee shop with a friend.
Okay. Hey, do you want to grab some coffee?
Yeah, I gotta finish this email first, though.
No problem. Let me know when you're ready.
Actually, I'm ready now. Let's go.
See how smooth that was? Every sentence had connected speech.
Do you want to go? I gotta. Let me know. All natural American English.
Here's another example. You're at work.
Hey, did you finish that report?
Not yet. I'm gonna finish it this afternoon.
Okay, cool. Give me a heads up when it's done.
Will do.
Perfect. Did you finish? I'm gonna finish. Give me a heads up. All connected speech.
That's exactly how Americans talk at work every single day.
One more example. You're texting a friend, but then you call them.
Hey, what you doing right now?
I don't know, just hanging out. Why?
Wanna come over? We're gonna watch a movie.
Yeah, let me grab my jacket and I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Perfect. See you soon.
That whole conversation was full of connected speech. It sounded so natural.
Exactly. And this is how you want to sound when you speak American English.